Hey there, travel enthusiasts and savvy spenders. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down complex topics like credit miles into simple, actionable insights. Today, we're tackling how do credit miles work, with a fresh look at the 2025 updates. If you're curious about turning your everyday purchases into dream vacations, you're in the right place. Let's dive in. First things first, credit miles, also known as reward points or airline miles, are loyalty rewards offered by credit card companies, often in partnership with airlines or travel brands. When you use a miles-earning credit card for purchases, you accumulate points based on your spending. For example, you might earn 1 mile per dollar spent on everyday items, and bonus miles for categories like travel or dining. Now, how do you earn these miles? It's straightforward. Sign up for a rewards credit card and start swiping. Many cards offer a hefty welcome bonus after meeting a minimum spend requirement, like 50,000 miles for spending $3,000 in the first 3 months. Plus, ongoing earning rates vary. Some cards give 2x miles on groceries or 5x on flights. But remember, with 2025's new regulations, we might see more emphasis on sustainable travel, so cards could reward eco-friendly choices like electric vehicle rentals. Redeeming miles is where the fun begins. You can use them for flights, hotel stays, car rentals, or even cashback, depending on the program. For instance, with programs like American Airlines or Chase Ultimate Rewards, you might book a domestic flight for 25,000 miles. In 2025, expect digital integrations, like AI-powered apps that suggest the best redemption options based on your travel history, making it easier and more personalized. Of course, there are pros and cons. Miles can save you a ton on trips, but they expire if not used, and redemption values can fluctuate with airline policies. Always pay your balance in full to avoid interest rates that could outweigh the rewards. In summary, credit miles are a powerful tool for smart travelers, especially with 2025's tech advancements making them even more accessible. If you're new to this, start by checking out cards from major issuers and reading the fine print. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more finance tips. Safe travels, and see you in the next video.